Have you ever thought about starting your own online business? Because of the personal, time, financial, location freedom it could provide, but felt stuck because you didn't know what to sell or even how to sell. Maybe you've had bad experiences with selling before, and the idea of hard pushing sales just doesn't sit right with you. You're not alone, and I'm here to tell you it doesn't have to be that way. We've revolutionized online sales, turning it from something stressful into something smooth, genuine, and transformative. First, let's talk about what makes us different. Number 1, products with no competition. We're not just selling any products. We're offering exclusive, highly patented products that have zero competition in the market. These are brand new, tied to mega trends and solve real problems people are facing right now. That means there's high demand and you'll be ahead of the curve. 2, the revolutionized way of selling. Forget hard selling, forget convincing. We don't convince anyone to buy. Instead, we work with conviction. When you believe in what you're offering because it changes lives, people feel that. Instead of chasing transactions, we focus on creating transformations. Instead of hyping up empty promises, we provide real solutions, under-promising and over-delivering every time. You'll learn how to shift from focusing on income to impacting lives. Build authentic relationships based on compassion instead of compensation. This is a new way of doing business, one that's stress-free, people-centered, and truly rewarding. We're not here to just build checks. We're here to build people. We're not here to close sales. We're here to open minds. And instead of using people, we're empowering them with hope, with opportunity, and with real results. This isn't just about selling. It's about finding solutions to real problems and serving others with sincerity. When you focus on serving, success becomes inevitable. So if you've been waiting for the right time, the right opportunity, or the right guidance to start your own online business, this is it. With our proven system, patented products, and revolutionary approach, you can build a business that's not just successful, but also meaningful. No stress, no pressure, just real solutions and genuine success. Let's start your journey today. Click below to learn more about how we can help you revolutionize your life and the lives of those you serve.